Good day. In today's video, I will demonstrate how to connect radio calls between radios operating in different systems using ConSEL Plus software. To achieve this, we will use the console's control tile. As you can see, two virtual radios have appeared. One is operating in the IP Site Connect system and the other in Capacity Plus multi-site. At the bottom of the screen, there is the panel's common control window where we will place various types of connectors. To add the first connector, click on the icon on the right side of the window and then select Add a Dynamic Connector. This connector will allow us to retransmit conversations between physical radios in different systems. By clicking on Add Console, I select the radios I want to connect. After adding and activating the connector, it retransmits calls to the RX group set as default for the virtual radios. If we want to change this by clicking on Configure Radio, we can switch from the default group to an individual contact another group or broadcast to all radios in the system. The second type of connector is a static connector. Let's change its color so that the buttons don't get confused. Next, we select which consoles we would like to connect. The principle for connecting groups other than the default or individual radios is the same as with the dynamic connector. I activate the connectors and we will make a call. The blue colors on the consoles indicate that call retransmission is functioning correctly. The difference between these connectors is that the dynamic connector is intended for dispatchers who frequently change the connector's parameters, hence the consoles displayed in the connector to indicate which ones are currently set. The third type is a special button that allows broadcasting on two radio consoles simultaneously. So let's rename it as we did with the previous buttons and also change its color. So we will use it as a standard PTT button, but for two virtual radios simultaneously. Thank you for your attention, and I invite you to watch the rest of the materials.